Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by charging both the earbuds and the case until the indicators read full. Once done, open the case next to your phone, enable Bluetooth, and choose Minor Roman 4 from the list to pair. Make sure you accept any pairing prompts and grant permissions in the Marshall app if you use it. This initial pairing establishes device profiles and lets firmware updates push through, which you should complete before extended listening to avoid connection quirks later. You now focus on fit and controls. Swap ear tips until you get a snug seal because fit alters bass and noise isolation. Next, practice the touch gestures, tap to play or pause, double tap to skip, hold for voice assistant, then personalize those actions in the Marshall app. Also, enable multi-point in settings if you switch between a laptop and phone. Finally, tweak the EQ to taste. This is why you paired first, so the app can apply sound profiles for a better listening experience. You finish by adopting good habits. Return earbuds to the case to sync charging and preserve battery life, and confirm the case closes fully. If you encounter pairing drops or one earbud is silent, perform a reset, press and hold the sensors for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair. Make sure charging contacts are clean and firmware is current. If problems continue, try toggling Bluetooth on your source device. That often clears lingering connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.